Maybe you should turn the light off.
Yeah, go turn the light off. It's gonna be dark, but I got that. It's gonna be dark, but it's good.
Yeah.
It looks dark, but it's good.
No, it's okay.
It looks
I'm
dark.
just normal video. Take him out because he gets too frightened and he goes schizo. I don't know if I got that one or not. No. Get the full effect when you have the lights on. I was trying to get the sound.
I didn't know that.
I don't know how people can do this all day. How do people,
I told you, you just got that.
how do people vlog all day?
I don't know.
Like really, how do they vlog all day?
They just do. That was in you.
That's what I do with spurs.
No, it's a big one.
That was a big one.
I can show you everything later, okay? Just be quiet,
Just feel. Well, it doesn't matter if you talk, who cares? One night, Friday night, sitting here filming thunderstorms.
It's people do it.
We're knucking fronts. If you be quiet, you can hear the thunder. So most of the lightning's gone, but there's more coming.
There was a bug on me. Before.
Yeah, it's sort of.
Don't bounce the bed because you know he's filming. You do want me to do it?
Excuse you, Laura.
Yeah, I'll do it for you. Yeah, don't you? It's all the way over there. That's all. You did this. You film right there. Film right there.
I've got it.
Yeah, I'll do it, Mum.
No, it's okay.
I've got it beautifully.
Yeah, I'll do it.
That's okay. Just stick it like this.
Matthew, be careful, I'm beside you.
Careful of his bed because I've tried to fix it.
Yeah, I know.
Can you not lay right there though? Because just
Not you,
in
not
case.
you.
No, sorry.
You can still lay there. Just
Yeah, I know.
Not too far up.
I know.
Did you catch that?
yeah, I did.
I saw
I got that too. That looked terrible. That looked awesome.
That looked terrifying too.
Terrifying, that's what the word I was
I think
trying to
we're
say.
gonna do this all night.
Yeah, technically I'll be in my room the whole time, so I'm gonna do this instead of watch YouTube.
2 hours later.
Pretty much.
It's over.
Like I've been filming for 8 minutes already.
I've stopped it and then played it again.
I don't lean on the window. I might have smashed it.
Huh?
Careful, Emily. Don't lean on the bed like that.
I missed that.
Because it definitely will break.
You see those things like those yellow things like
Oh, yeah, right there.
I don't know what they are.
Say, they're the lights.
They're UFOs, man.
Imagine a UFO just came past.
Oh, guys.
Wait,
The UFOs.
have you ever heard of Area 51?
Yes.
Bug.
They
Oh,
actually
bug. Look,
transport
it's a bug.
Oh,
Bug.
Aliens are real. You just have to see them.
The majority of it's gone now, I think.
Nah. Still got beautiful bits of lightning. Like that. That one.
I saw that.
I got that. I got that.
Post this on Facebook.
I
You
probably
have
will.
to post this on
And
Facebook.
Insta definitely.
No, too long for Instagram.
Oh, okay.
Can you
It's-
get off me?
Facebook.
9 minutes.
Facebook, Mum.
I should have done it. I should do Facebook Live.
Oh yeah.
But
Facebook Live.
you're gonna miss it.
Nah, I'm not gonna bother.
Wait,
Not
You
now.
can just post it on Facebook.
I could just post it on Facebook.
20 hours
Why
later,
walk in a
it's all
stupid
over.
rain, you idiot?
Maybe
Hey, get out of the rain!
you're gonna die.
Go home! Get out of the rain! Warning! Warning!
Thunder, lightning, get out. You're gonna
Feel the
die.
thunder!
Feel the thunder! Thunder!
Almost
Lightning
fell
and the thunder!
Shush now.
Thunder!
Alright, be quiet.
Feel the thunder!
Right now,
Be
enough now,
quiet.
please.
I need to get this thunder. Oh, was that lightning then?
No.
No? So it feels like I just got a flash. I only had like a stand or sticky tape. Oh, that was beautiful.
Oh,
I
yeah.
could
That
like
was
sticky
beaut.
tape my.
That was totes orcs,
like-
man.
No, because it's over there. I could like sticky tape my iPad to there and like.
But it won't hold.
No,
Yeah,
like it,
no, I won't hold Benny.
I don't know, like if like I had something else, I could have.
Oh.
Here, I'll do it, Mum.
No, I'm alright now. I'm slopping up.
I just missed that.
It's sort of now to the side of us, so I don't know if we're
It's
gonna.
fine. We're still gonna get some.
Not as much.
Eh.
Nan's missing out so badly. She missed some good ones.
Just to say, I've got it on film, so I'm gonna go show it
Yeah, so am I.
after.
Come on, do some sweeping ones again. They were awesome.
Like the really, really long
They're the ones I want to get on time lapse
The
and
really,
try and
really
capture.
long ones.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I got one of those on slow mo.
Oh,
There we go. You see it, and it did it.
Do it again.
Do it again. Come on, yeah, God. Come on, God. Please,
Oh, come on, God.
please. Do it again. I like that.
Do another sweeping one.
It's
Come on.
not God, it's Thor.
No, it's God.
Thor.
Yep.
God, not God.
Hey, Thor,
I
do
said-
it again.
God, do it again, please.
God.
Please.
Good.
Please.
Thor,
I
Thor.
believe in you.
Please do it again.
Yeah, do it again.
No.
Thor,
Thor does
I
all
believe in you.
Thor does the thunder. And
And lightning.
And lightning.
God does lightning.
No.
No.
Thor does both.
Yeah,
I guess he is a god.
he is.
He's a.
He is a god and I have proof. He's in my room.
Really?
Yeah.
Real Thor?
No, not real. I have like a little card about him.
I know.
Like for my
He's
humanities
the power
project that
Thor.
I did
Oh, come on.
3 times ago.
Oh, I just missed that.
I got it.
Nice.
I just want another sweeping one where it goes across the skies. I can.
Oh, your hip just cracked.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Yeah, I heard it from him.
It was like right in my ear.
Like, if someone drives by, they're gonna be like, what?
They wouldn't even know.
Oh, that's big.
They're too distracted on the road.
If they're watching us, they'll crash into cars. And then I'll get that on film and that would be funny.
Actually, no, it wouldn't. We're gonna have to go out there.
Also,
It's actually not raining.
No, that's the scary part.
Why?
Because it's a calm before the storm. It's just like the eye of a tornado. You know?
Tornado might come.
No,
Nah.
we're not here. But
There is actually tornadoes in Australia. Just not
tropical
here.
storms. They're up in. You don't get them sort of here. You get them on the coast.
Alright.
We're too inland.
Oh yeah, this is inland.
I want another sweeping one. Come on.
We had.
Come on. Another sweeper. Give me another sweeping lightning. Hey?
Huh?
Like so green now.
I know there's no more.
Like a sleeping one.
One more last.
You sleep, Laura.
No.
Oh.
I wish I was.
Okay. Good
Yeah,
night,
so
Laura.
something's happening.
Good night, Laura.
But the thing is that I'm not sleeping in my uniform.
No, probably not a good idea.
No.
Or I think probably most of
Yeah, I'm
it's
gonna stop
past.
it. I'm gonna go show Nan.